Hello everyone, today we're going to look at the radio feature in Odin. Activating this radio feature is extremely simple. You'll go to Odin and you're just going to click on this little music icon. And here you'll have several options. So I'm going to make sure the sound is working correctly and I'll just click play. There we go. So now I'll probably just turn down my sound volume a bit so I don't, damage your ears. But essentially, what you must remember, what you really need to keep in mind is that you have several different music possibilities. So in this specific instance, you simply need to switch between the various options provided and everything will function perfectly. You can have different music styles, for instance, more of a focus music or what you'd call relaxing music. So yeah, it's more lo-fi, we are not going to, it's that kind of music. There you go. Or you can have more energetic music like synthwave and so on. So there it is. I don't know if you can hear it properly, but in any case, it's meant to be a bit vibrant. And finally, you have the option by simply clicking on this small icon to set a precise timer for the music to stop. So if I do this, for instance, you see it increments. I'm going to set it, for example, to stop in 60 minutes. So each time I click, it increments. So it's either stop, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or stop again. So there I can click I want it to end in 1 hour. And then I start my trading session, okay? With my music, perfect. And after an hour, when it stops, I know that an hour has passed. So, well, there you go. If my session is supposed to last an hour, I know I have to stop at that point. Well, that's it for this short video. Hope you enjoyed it and this feature will be useful. I'll see you in the next one. Later.